Imagine for a moment that you possess a crystal ball capable of unveiling the future of the global economy. What would you do with that knowledge? How would it impact your financial decisions? Robert Kiyosaki claims to have just that, a profound understanding of the economic landscape that enables him to make bold predictions. But before we delve into his forecast for 2023, let's take a closer look at the man behind the predictions. In a world captivated by financial predictions and economic forecasts, one name that stands out is Robert Kiyosaki. Best known for his revolutionary book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Kiyosaki has garnered a massive following with his unconventional and often controversial ideas about money and investing. As 2023 unfolds, many eagerly await to see if his predictions about this pivotal year will come true. Are we truly on the brink of a financial revolution, or is it merely another case of wishful thinking? In this video, we delve into Kiyosaki's prediction for 2023 and explore whether they hold any weight. The rise of Robert Kiyosaki. Kiyosaki, a renowned investor and entrepreneur, rose to fame with his groundbreaking book Rich Dad Poor Dad. In its bestseller, Kiyosaki challenged conventional wisdom about money and advocated for financial education as the key to success. He captivated storytelling and relatable anecdotes struck a chord with millions worldwide, propelling him to the forefront of the personal finance industry. Kiyosaki's past predictions. Before we assess Kiyosaki's predictions for 2023, it's essential to examine the accuracy of his previous forecasts. Admittedly, not all his predictions have come to fruition. However, Kiyosaki's track record is dotted with several prescient insights that have left investors in awe. From anticipating the 2008 financial crisis to warning of the impending housing market collapse, Kiyosaki has demonstrated a knack for identifying major economic shifts before they actually occur. 2023, the year of financial turmoil? Now let's shift our focus to Kiyosaki's prediction for 2023. According to him, this year will mark a significant turning point in the global economy. He forecasts a period of extreme financial turbulence accompanied by a paradigm shift in traditional investment strategies. Kiyosaki argues that traditional assets such as stocks and bonds will become increasingly volatile and less reliable, urging individuals to seek alternative avenues for wealth creation. The rise of cryptocurrencies. One of Kiyosaki's central predictions for 2023 involves around the ascent of cryptocurrencies. He believes that digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum will become a mainstream medium of exchange, challenging the dominance of fiat currencies controlled by governments. Kiyosaki cites the increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies by major corporations and institutional investors as evidence supporting his claim. Geopolitical and economic instability. Furthermore, Kiyosaki predicts a rise in geopolitical tensions and economic instability in 2023. He points to escalating trade disputes, political unrest, and the unsustainable levels of global debt as catalysts for a potential crisis. According to Kiyosaki, these factors will expose the flaws in the current financial system, pushing individuals to seek alternative solutions and take control of their financial destinies. The importance of financial education. In line with his previous works, Kiyosaki emphasizes the significance of financial education in navigating the uncertain times ahead. He asserts that traditional education systems fail to equip individuals with the necessary skills to thrive in a new economic landscape. By understanding cash flow, investing in real assets, and building passive income streams, Kiyosaki seems to believe that people can weather a storm and prosper amidst the chaos. A glimpse into the possible future. To paint a vivid picture of the world of Kiyosaki and visions for 2023, let us delve into the hypothetical scenario he proposes. In the future, traditional financial institutions crumble under the weight of mounting debts and economic crises. People trust in governments and centralized banking system erodes, leading to a surge in decentralized crypto. Blockchain tech, hailed for its transparency and security, become a backbone of new financial order. Peer-to-peer transactions flourish, bypassing intermediaries and empowering individuals with newfound financial autonomy. Challenges and controversy. Naturally, Kiyosaki's predictions have sparked debates and controversies among financial experts. Skeptics argue that while he has successfully predicted certain events, he's also made several inaccurate forecasts. Critics question the practicality of shifting entire financial systems to cryptocurrency and emphasize the regulatory challenges that lies ahead. The power of narrative. What sets Kiyosaki apart is his ability to craft compelling narratives that resonate with his audience. His storytelling approach, infused with his personal anecdotes and relatable experiences, has allowed him to connect with millions of people seeking financial guidance. The lessons, regardless of accuracy. Even if Kiyosaki's predictions for 2023 turn out to be inaccurate, there are valuable lessons to be learned from his teachings. He advocates for financial education, emphasizing the importance of learning about money management, investing, and creating multiple streams of income. The ripple effect of Kiyosaki's influence. Beyond his predictions and teaching, it's essential to acknowledge the profound influence Robert Kiyosaki has had on individuals around the globe. His books, seminars, and online resources have empowered countless people to challenge their existing beliefs about money and embark on a path of financial independence. Through his work, Kiyosaki has sparked conversations, ignited curiosity, and inspired individuals to take control of their financial future, regardless of accuracy. The impact of the message cannot be overlooked. The need for critical analysis. While Kiyosaki's charisma and storytelling abilities have captivated many, it's crucial to approach his predictions with a critical lens. Blindly accepting or rejecting his forecasts without careful analysis would be unwise. As responsible consumers of financial information, we must consider multiple perspectives, consult diverse sources, and weigh the evidence before drawing conclusions. The role of personal circumstances. Another factor to consider when assessing Kiyosaki's predictions is the role of personal circumstances. Financial decisions are highly individualized, influenced by factors such as income level, risk tolerance, and long-term goals. What may be suitable for one person may not necessarily apply to another. Therefore, it's essential to evaluate predictions in the context of one's own financial situation. Embracing a spectrum of views. In the realm of financial predictions, it's important to recognize that no single individual holds a monopoly on truth. While Kiyosaki has gained significant recognition and followers, there are also other prominent voices offering alternative perspectives on the economic landscape of 2023. The need for constant evaluation. In the ever-changing landscape of finance, it's essential to maintain a proactive stance and continually elevate the validity and relevance of predictions and investment strategies. What may hold true today may not necessarily hold true tomorrow. Regular assessments, monitoring of market conditions, and adaptation of one's approach are vital for navigating the complex dynamics of the global economy. A dynamic journey of learning and growth. In the realm of finance, it's crucial to embrace an ongoing journey of learning and growth. The ability to adapt, evolve, and refine one's strategies is essential in an ever-changing economic landscape. By cultivating a mindset of continuous improvements, individuals can not only respond to changing circumstances, but also seek out new opportunities. In the end, the question of whether Kiyosaki's predictions about 2023 will come to pass remain uncertain. However, the discussions and debates surrounding his insights have sparked a broader conversation about finance, investing, and the pursuit of financial independence. Ultimately, the journey towards financial success is a personal one, guided by combinations and insight, experience, and a willingness to adapt in an ever-evolving world.